yeah, so that's what I'm gonna be replacing today. This the new one right here. So yeah, I'm gonna be replacing the Canister Purge valve. That's what I ordered off of eBay. It's an AC dump on. So yeah, we're gonna go and throw this thing on there today. We got to get down up in here and get to the old one. The reason I'm replacing is because when I was replacing some vacuum lines down in here, it snapped off. I'll show you when I get down in there. Hold on. So yeah, we're gonna have to remove a few things before we can get in there though to get to it. Anyway, yeah, I was down up in there changing out some vacuum lines. I went to disconnect the vacuum lines from the Canister Purge valve. One of the connecting where the one of the little connections where the hose go had cracked. That shit had cracked and opened up. So what I did was I got some super glue. I glued it back together. Let me show you. So there it go right there. This is the one right here when I was removing this one. Oh, let me get this out the way. This one right here, when I started trying to remove this one, put a crack in it right there. I don't know if you can see it. That's epoxy. I could see a couple of bubbles right there, so I swear it must not have sealed. We're gonna go and throw this thing up in there. So yeah, let's go on and get some so we can get these little clamps off. We can get that up out of there. And then get this new one down in there. See that? And we got another clamp. It's twisted all the way up under there. Just take it off right here then. Take it off the cap. Now we're gonna need to remove both of these clamps right here. Hold on. We're gonna get it. Come up off of there. Get that big boy out the way. Come on. There we go. So here go the old one. Versus the new one. Everything lining up right. The part numbers match. I don't know if y'all can see that, but yeah, they match. So yeah, let's go on and get this one in here, man, and we'll be done. This was a little simple job right here. Make sure I put this back on here facing up, because I could not get it to it before. There we go. Now we can get this thing back on there. Just get this thing back up in here, man, and seal this back up, bruh. Alright, now we can get it back in here. Slide that back on. Get this clip back in place. Where's that other hose at? Here it go. Get this one back in place. Place. We got 2 more connections. Plus, can't forget about this one. Let's get him back up in place too. There you go. Put his clip back to the top, like I said, because the underneath ain't working. Right there. Now this is the last line right here. And we already know this goes here, one here, one here, and this, we know that goes back to the air cleaner. These are the last 2 connections. Let's get these back on. This one here. And this one here. That's the kind of work I like doing right there. Yeah, now all we gotta do is put all this back together and start him up and see what he do. I don't know if it's gonna be no difference or anything, if I'm gonna be able to tell any different, notice any difference. I'm gonna be able to notice any motherfucking difference with this motherfucker. It had to be done. Ain't nobody better than to do it than me. So yeah, now what we do is just set this back up on here. What is that doing there? Why is you all of a sudden up here? Motherfucker put to the side a little bit. Make sure we get this line back connected to this piece right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's all vacuum. Get him back on there. Run over him. Get him back on there. Run back around here. Get him back on now. Get this boy back connected. There we go. Why is that sitting up on top of that EGR valve like that? I don't know. Oh, this mess, man. This engine is a mess. All this shit covered in wires and hoses. One of these days, boy, we gonna snatch him up out of here. Going back on now. Button him back up. Look over him one time, make sure everything back connected. Make sure we didn't leave anything disconnected down here. Everything looking good. So yeah, let's crank that thing up, man, and see if we notice any difference. I don't think I'm gonna notice no difference. We're gonna crank this anyways. Yeah, I know we sitting on that E thing, man. This car don't go nowhere. It's a cold start too. It's the first time starting it today.